Hey guys, Mark Lyon here, Lion Horses. Today I want to show you the knot that I use for tying up horses. It's kind of my favorite knot. If I tie up, probably 75% of the time, I'll use this knot, and it's called a bowline. And the reason I like it is because no matter how tight the horse pulls on it or how tight it gets, you're going to always be able to get it undone if it's tied correctly. So we're going to show you how to tie it correctly today. It's a little bit, it's not super complicated, but if you don't get it started right, man, it's not going to come out right. So we're going to show you how to get it started right today. So this is my bowline. I tied a quick release bowline. You can see that loop right there. So when you pull on it, it's going to come out. So we're going to start all over a little bit. We're going to make a loop in this rope, and we're going to put this rope through it. And when you let go, it should stay, this loop should stay in there, just like that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, this rope here is coming from the front side to the back side. And now I'm going to go and I'm going to switch it, and I'm going to go the other way, and you're going to see that's how you tie it wrong, and that's where people get in trouble. So I'm going to just stick it from the back towards the front, and then I'm going to let go. See how it fell out? So that's how you know that you're first starting it is the start of it is correct, is if you make this loop, and when you stick it through there, when you let go, that loop stays in there. We call that a half hitch if one side is crossing over, and so it's got a half hitch around that rope. Now that you got that done, we're going to take this piece, we're going to go around this piece and then back up through that hole. So it's going to come around, and then you're just going to take a little loop of it and stick it up through that hole like that. There you go. It's a quick release bowline. So anyway, in another video, we're gonna show you the relation to this brother. This knot has a brother, and we're gonna show you that one. They're almost identical. They're almost twins, in fact. And you probably have seen this knot before and just not realized that that one and this one were related. So look forward to that video. Catch you guys next time. Remember, we're all trying to be the person our horse deserves.